Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the third video of the online classic tutorial series. In this video, we'll be looking into the navigation of your individual teams or courses or classrooms that you've registered into. As you can see, we have now a number of different teams listed over here. These are the teams that I've registered into. Let's go into one of the teams and see what it has to offer. When you click on it, the first thing you see is the posts page, in which आपकी जितनी भी posts जो है वो यहाँ पे displayed होंगी, including your assignments, किसी ने कोई अगर documents कोई share किए हैं, then you have your online classes जो आपकी schedule होती हैं, along with different replies जो उसके साथ दरमियान जो discussions हुई थी, all of that is listed over here. When it's time for your class, आपकी क्लास की schedule हुई है, when it's close to that time, यहाँ पे join now का बटन आएगा, which you click to join the online session or online class. The next tab is the files tab, जहाँ पे आपकी course की जितनी भी files हैं वो यहाँ पे listed होंगी. Let me just, yes. You can go to the class materials, and it has all the files that are listed over here. If you look at the ebooks, you have an ebook over here which you can open from here or you can download as well. आप यहाँ से उसको कर सकते हैं. The third tab that's important is your assignments tab. In the assignments tab, जो भी आपके active assignments हैं, or let's say assignments in this course, the ones that have passed or जो pending है, सारे यहाँ पे आपके पास show होंगे. As you can see, I have one assignment that's due on the 18th of June, which is assignment 1. The marked one basically shows assignments जो आपने submit किए हैं, उसके marks जो है वो यहाँ पे आपको display होंगे. If I click on the assignment, you'll be looking something like this. यहाँ पे instructions होंगी and then you have your student work. Let me go to a different team and give you another example of how the assignments are displayed. Now this is an assignment जहाँ पे you don't have any instructions but you have some reference material that is attached with the assignment. आप उसको जब click करेंगे so you have the questions that is required for this and you know exactly what to do. तो अपने पीसी को आप यूज़ करके अपने वर्ड के ऊपर अपना असाइनमेंट लिखेंगे और माय वर्क में आप क्लिक करके यू ऐड योर वर्क, चाहे वो एक एक्सेल की स्प्रेडशीट हो या चाहे वो वर्ड का डॉक्यूमेंट हो, वो आप जो है वो ऐड करके यहाँ पे आप पोस्ट कर सकते हैं. क्लिक अपलोड फ्रॉम दिस डिवाइस और यहाँ से आप सेलेक्ट करके अपना वो वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट करके आप उसको यहाँ पे पोस्ट कर दें. वंस दैट इज डन, आप हैंड इन कर दें ताकि आपका असाइनमेंट हैंड इन हो जाए. Some assignments have a strict deadline, meaning कि after the due date आप assignment submit नहीं कर पाएंगे. Whereas some assignments have an option of submitting a late assignment. This you can discuss with your teacher. So these are the three main things that you'll be using. You'll be using the posts page, which is important notification page for your assignments and your online classes. The files page holds all of your content, course content and course material. And the assignments page is your page where all of your assignments are listed. So I think this is enough for this video. Inshallah, in the next video, we'll go through some more aspects of Microsoft Teams. Thank you for your time.